If you're ready to set off your holiday decor, we'll show you how to create a unique holiday setting or keepsake in just 4 simple steps. Stay tuned. Hey, good people. Welcome to Mommy Room Redo. This is a show to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we'll transform these Dollar Tree picture frames into some wonderful holiday keepsakes or place settings. Let's get started. Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. The first thing I did was pick out inspirational greeting cards from the dollar store. Since I was making these for Thanksgiving, I looked for Bible verses that had to do with being thankful. However, you can pick out whatever greeting cards make sense for your occasion. The second thing I did was pick out picture frames from the dollar store. Do you want to be featured in an upcoming video? Send your Christmas tablescapes to mommyroomredo@gmail.com. The third thing I did was spray painted the picture frames to match the rest of my decor. In my case, I was doing this for the fall, so my color was rose gold. As a final step, I chose some stands to make my frames stand out. And here's the finished product. They look lovely, but you don't have to stop here. You can add some other elements to make them look even better. Again, you can use these to dress up your table as a place setting, or you can give them to your guests as a keepsake. In my particular case, I use them to dress up my mantle. Thanks for tuning in, and please like this video, and of course, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.